Hello everyone, that's Bob here, and I gotta show you how to install final version of Windows 11 on your computer, even if it doesn't meet minimal system requirements for installing in a really easy way. And of course, if your computer is compatible with Windows 11 officially and meet minimal system requirements, but without rec file. So first step, let's download Windows 11 from official website. Okay, let's just select Windows 11 here in this image. Windows 11, download. Let's select our language, what we need. English somewhere here, right? And confirm. And 64-bit download. Okay, let's start download. I already have this ISO image, so let's go to the next step. So if your computer unsupported Windows 11 officially, you may need this rec file, and you must paste it inside of your flash drive in future. Now let's open Rufus for create our bootable flash drive and just drag and drop this ISO, or you can press select. Okay, image option, standard Windows installation, partition scheme. Now we have small question. If your motherboard unsupported UEFI, just simple old motherboard, you need to select MBR, yeah, BIOS or UEFI CSM, yeah, and file system interface of course. If your motherboard not that old and support UEFI, I mean just has UEFI BIOS, then you probably need to select GPT, or maybe if you need legacy but with new motherboard, then you may need MBR anyway. For example, if you have more than one system and it installed in legacy and you want to make Windows boot manager see that other system, for example Windows 7, I don't know, you must install it in the same way or something like that. So in my way, I'm selecting MBR with legacy support. If you have UEFI and you need just only one system, then select GPT. That's it. And yeah, next step, just click start and OK. That's it. I won't do that because I already have bootable USB flash drive. Next step, for uncompatible PCs or laptops, we're just selecting that rec file, pasting inside a bootable USB flash drive. Yep, that's it. After that, you just need your boot, your computer, and enter into your BIOS, or maybe directly you can open boot menu, yeah, and select flash drive. In my way, it looks like this. Please press delete or F2 to enter UEFI BIOS setting. I'm pressing delete and see something like this. Of course, it depends what kind of BIOS do you have, so it could looks really different. But anyway, I'm selecting boot menu by pressing F8 in my way and see something like this. And now, if you choose GPT way, I mean UEFI, then you will see something like this, UEFI and name of your flash drive. And you must select it, that's it. Press with your mouse button or select with your arrows and press enter and boot it up. Or if you select MBR, aka legacy mode, then do the same but without UEFI at start title of your pen drive. Okay, as you can see, it's Windows 11 installer. Let's press next. Installed now. Okay, setup is starting. Okay, I have a linked key on my Microsoft account, and now we have a choice. If your computer meet minimal system requirements of Windows 11, then just select Windows 11 Pro and press next. If not, it doesn't mean, then you don't need to try press next, because if you're gonna press next, you will see error like your computer is not support Windows 11. But anyway, if that's your way, if your computer not support Windows 11, then press Shift and F10. And now type Notepad, File, Open, select your pen drive, select all files here, and press right mouse button on this bypass. Now I'll show you what's inside. It's just bypassing TPM and Secure Boot check. That's it. Okay, press right mouse button and click on merge. Yep. And yes, that's it. Now you can easily install Windows 11 on your computer if it doesn't support by Microsoft. Yep. Okay, now we're able to press next. Okay, let's accept it. And now you must delete your previous drive or erase it from old Windows. You will lose all files if you're gonna do that, and you probably know that. So let's select our drive and press next. That's it. So I will skip this process because I already showed everything what you need to know. But anyway, if you want to see first start of the system and how to configure it, you're welcome. And your computer can restart a few times in installation process, so don't panic. And actually you can put it out your flash drive after first restart. I mean, in process of restarting, you already can just put it out, and yeah, nothing gonna happen. And if you don't want to link your Microsoft account, you can press sign in options and just select offline account. Okay, let's enter name for our PC. And finally, Windows 11 desktop. I hope I help you guys. If I help you, please like my video, leave some comments if you have some questions, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See ya.